Now on to the Fed odds. The odds are changing like the stock market every day. It's getting pretty exciting and pretty concerning simultaneously. And since we're talking about holidays and we're talking about getting together with family members, we were talking about the amount of spending on Black Friday, we were talking about so many things. Let's talk about what will the Fed put under the Christmas tree on December 10th, right here. Will it be at a quarter point or a half a point? Well, we went to our friends at Kalshi and we took a look at the chart, what they have. And look what a ride we've been on. We are sitting right now, December 1st, where it looks like there's an 89% chance we're going to get a quarter point cut right here under the Christmas tree. Or maybe it's a little early for Christmas, but it'll be right there. And we're happy. But look what we've just gone through not even a month ago. Here's November 1st. We were getting into November, about November 10th, 12th. All of a sudden, things change. Look at this madness, listening to comments by the Fed, by Jerome Powell, or other people interpreting what Jerome Powell was saying. And we were not happy. We were down here at about 30%. Right there, it was looking like there would only be a 30% chance of a 25 basis point cut. We need these cuts for mortgages and a lot of other things and interest on the national debt to go down. So since that time, we've seen a very steady bounce. So it was really interesting. 1 week we went down, later the week we went back up, and we've been going all the way up to today. And so the Kalshi prediction market is saying 89% chance on a cut based on $17.7 million that has been put up by the Kalshi audience, thinking that there will be a 25 basis cut in the Fed rate on December 10th. So there it is under the Christmas tree. We're going to be unwrapping that present right there. That will help the mortgage market a little bit. That will help interest on the federal debt a little bit. And hopefully it gives the economy time to continue to recover as we try to move into the phase that we're making jobs and building them to offset job cuts and to generate energy in the economy. One more thing. 'Tis the season to be planning Christmas and New Year's with family, but more importantly, to plan next year for your business. If you're a CEO or someone that works for a CEO, or maybe you are a founder of a business, planning is key. And it never is more important than the fourth quarter, where you sit back and look at what went right, what didn't this year, and pick a methodology to plan for next year, because those who plan have a much higher percentage of making it. And Bet-David Consulting is here to help. Every year we conduct the Business Planning Workshop, a wonderful all-day workshop conducted by Patrick Bet-David in December. That's the time to plan, so that's the time that we're putting it together for you. There's a link down below where you can find about all the things you're going to learn, and at the event, you'll get your hands on an incredible workbook to guide you through the process. We hope to see you at the Business Planning Workshop.